Okay, guys, ever wanted a bold, playful footer for your store that still packs in every essential feature? Building one from scratch can honestly feel overwhelming. Well, this section handles it all for you. Today, we're adding this footer section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Footer number 8. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose SK Footer number 8 from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together, and honestly, there's a lot to explore here. First, let's start with the heading. There's a layout style option with 3 different layouts to choose from. Pick whichever fits your section best. Now let's move on to the newsletter settings. Add a heading, whatever fits your own brand, and right below that, add your body text too. In the Input Placeholder field, add something like an email placeholder, and update the button text as well. Below that, you can adjust the input background color, input text color, button background color, button text color, and even the button's hover background color. Next up is the heading font. Toggle on Use Custom Font, and you'll be able to set the heading font, heading color, newsletter heading size for both desktop and mobile, heading width, heading line height, and the column heading size too. Right after that, there's a body font section. Toggle on Use Custom Font here as well, and customize the body font, body text color, and body font size. Below that, you'll find the nav links and region drop-down settings. Adjust these based on what fits your own section. Now let's add a logo. I'm just adding a random one here to show you how it works, but you should add whatever matches your own brand. Right after adding it, you can adjust the logo settings and add logo text too. Then come the social icons settings, where you can add your social links. There's honestly so much packed into this one section. After that, you can also update the section colors, along with the section size and spacing. Lastly, in the navigation column, add your pages. I'm adding 2 pages here just to show you how it works, but you can go ahead and add as many pages as you'd like based on your own store's navigation. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.